Do you want to create the twins? I mean the clone effect. Here I'm gonna show you how to create this clone effect in DaVinci Resolve. No fusion, no plugin. Before I jump in DaVinci Resolve, here there is some things you have to know before you edit these clone effects. First, your camera must be on tripod, just must be fixed, okay? And then make sure your lens, depend what the aperture it has, must be on MF, manual mode. And then you have to shoot on the one background, okay? But your subject must act some different move, maybe it can 2 subject or 3, whatever, okay? But you have to know that the camera fixed on one tripod, okay? Your lens must be on MF mode, okay? And one background. So now let's jump on in DaVinci Resolve and let's see how it is. So here I'm in DaVinci Resolve. The things I'm going to do, I'm going to import my clip. So now I came here on file, so go on import media, or we can use this shortcut plus I, okay? So and then here I'm gonna select my clip, it is this one, and then press open. So now this clip I have to drag it here on this timeline, guys, okay? As you see, those are my clips, okay? And then here I'm going to delete this audio because I will not use this audio anymore, okay? So I have to select this audio and I have to delete it. So and I'm going to combine those clips, okay? I'm going to arrange these clips in this way, okay? So I have to put one of the top of each other, and then I have to cut just like this in order when like this, because I just want this clone to start it at the same time and then it will be also ended at the same time, okay? So when I play, guys, now you see my clip. This subject, it is on this side, okay? I have to click on this top clip, okay, guys, not on the bottom one. Just click on this top clip, and then after clicking on it, you have to come here on this inspector, okay? This one, when you close it, you see there is no effect, okay? But when you open it, you will see the video effect, audio effect, transition image, and something like that. And then you have to come up here for this cropping, guys, okay? Because I just want to crop left and right, because my subject, one of it is on one side, other one it is on other side. So and then when I try to crop this left, something like this, that means this is the wrong place, okay? So you have to click Ctrl plus Z, and then you come up here for this crop right. So when you crop this right, now you will get the second clone, okay? Now you see how the things it is, guys. This is looking better. And then, guys, you have to see if this line which combines those 2 clips, it is visible, guys. The things you have to do, you have to come here for this softness, and then you try to smooth this line, something like this, okay, guys? Now you see, I think you see how this line it is, okay? You have to smooth just a few little bit, okay? So, guys, and then when I try to play, now here you see my clone effect is already done, okay? So now you see the clone is doing some different moves, but it is on the same background, the lighting it is the same, okay? Yeah, that is it, okay? That's how to create the clone effect in DaVinci Resolve. Guys, I know this video is very helpful to you. Please subscribe, like, and drop the comment down below and let me know what you think. And I will see you in next video. Peace.